Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you how to blur face in CapCut. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing you have to do is import your video in CapCut and drag it to the editing section like I already did. The next thing is tap on your video and do on right click of your mouse and make a copy of it and paste on the above of this previous video and arrange it. As you can see now, I paste a copy of the video here. Now, the next thing is take a look on the left side of your computer screen. Here are some options. And from these options, you have to tap on this option Effects. And in the search bar, search Blur. And here are all the effects of blur. From these effect, I will use this one. So now tap on it, and paste is on the above video. Now effects has been applied in video. Tap on your video, and here is the option Crop Ratio. Tap on it. Now crop it like me. After cropping, tap on this option Confirmed, which is on the right bottom. And on the last, arrange it same as me. After doing this, tap on your video and take a look on the right side. Basic, cutout, and mask. From these options, tap on this mask and choose this circle. Now arrange this circle and make it bigger as much as you want. Now the face has been blurred. I am doing a random tap and will play the video from the start. So you will see how it looks like. So as you can see, the face has been blurred. So it was the fundamental way by which you can blur face in CapCut.